I know. Let's see if that Lennox is frozen too. Oh, it's a carrier that was frozen. I don't believe it. The Lennox is frozen again. That thing has an issue. That's not good. I didn't get these ones last time, guys. XR11. Look at that. Ooh, crap. Sorry. It's an XR11. 2005, 2-ton. 2005, 3-ton. Oh. Train, I'm guessing XR11? Yeah, XR11. 2005, 2.5-ton. Look at that. No. All the lines are frozen. Oh, look at that. 2017, 2-ton.
It'll probably melt when it runs a defrost, right?
Yeah. I didn't see those ones last time. Well, we didn't. I don't, maybe. Okay, that one was normally. Oh wait, we forgot the Lennox. Okay. And here are my faves. Yay! Oh. We already seen these. I just like them. I know. That carrier turned off. Oh, snow must suck. Gotta go this way. Wait, okay. Whoa.